Hello, everyone. Welcome back. In this video, we will introduce this reference. This is the keyword this. The keyword this refers to the calling object. It can also be used inside a constructor to invoke another constructor of the same class. Let's look at this. We define the so-called class. Here's radius. This is the get area. For get area here, you need to use the radius. Now, this can be used here. This dot radius. This is actually this dot radius times this dot radius. So when you have a so-called object, it invokes the get area method. So what radius is used? That's this. This refers to the calling object. Calling object's radius is used here and to return the area. Now, it can be omitted. So you can rewrite the code without using this. Sometimes when you write the program, you may use here this dot. It's just for clarity in some certain situations, and you want to make it clear now, hey, what is radius? This dot radius. But in this way, and right here in this program, there is no ambiguity. There's no conflict. It's very clear you have only one radius here. But let's look at the next page here. In this situation here, right here, you have to use this. We have this set method to set a new radius in the so-called class. And this is the data field, the radius. This is the parameter radius. So you're going to assign radius into this object's radius, this calling object's radius. So you have to put this right here. If you don't use this, it's going to be a mistake. So you're going to assign radius to the same parameter here. And that is going to be a problem. So if you don't have this, so they both refer to the same radius right here. Let's look at another example. This class F has this instance data field I and a static data field K. And this is set I. You're going to assign I to this dot I. So this is a very common when you have a data field and you use this, the parameter, the same name, and for just very clear and for clarity, and that's very common. So what you're gonna set I. So this is the I value here. When you write this code, and you have to use this dot I refer to the data field for the object. Now for a static data field, you can use this set method, set K. So this is the K. You're gonna assign K to K, which K is F dot K. So let's look at the example. We have these two objects, F1 and F2. They are the objects created from the F class. F1 dot set I10. So what you do is to invoke this set method, assign 10 to this dot I. What is this? This means F1 is the calling object. you can also use this to invoke a constructor. The SOCO class has these two constructors. This is the no-arg constructor. In the no-arg constructor, we can use this. This here, pass 1, 0, it is to invoke another constructor, SOCO, with this parameter radius. You're going to pass 1.0 to radius. So this is to use this in the constructors to call another constructor of the same class. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.